Welcome to the World of Wonders for Kids. Hi there, little learners! Today, we're diving into the amazing underwater world to learn all about sea animals. And guess what? We have a fun quiz game waiting for you at the end of this video. So stay tuned and get ready to test your knowledge. Let's go exploring! First up, we have the playful dolphin. Did you know dolphins are super smart? They love to play, jump, and even talk to each other using clicks and whistles. Dolphins live in groups called pods and are often called the acrobats of the sea because of their amazing flips and tricks. Look at that! It's an octopus. This fascinating sea creature has 8 arms, and it can squirt ink to scare off predators. Octopuses are incredibly clever and can solve puzzles. And here's a fun fact. They have 3 hearts. Say hello to the bright and colorful clownfish. You might recognize this little fish from movies. Clownfish live among the stinging tentacles of sea anemones, and they have a special slime on their bodies that keeps them safe. Here comes a graceful sea turtle. Sea turtles have been swimming in the oceans for over 100 million years. They can hold their breath for hours and love eating jellyfish. But remember, they are gentle and need our help to keep the ocean clean and safe. Wow! Look at that glowing creature. It's a jellyfish. Jellyfish have been around even before dinosaurs. They don't have a brain or a heart, but they can sting to protect themselves. Some even glow in the dark. Isn't that amazing? And here comes the mighty shark. Sharks are some of the top predators in the ocean. But don't worry, most sharks are harmless to humans. Did you know sharks have been around for over 400 million years? That's even older than trees. Look at this beauty. It's a starfish. Starfish aren't actually fish. They're sea stars. They can regrow their arms if one breaks off. How cool is that? Starfish use tiny suction cups under their arms to move and catch food. Here comes the gigantic whale. Whales are the biggest animals on Earth, and they sing beautiful songs underwater to talk to each other. The blue whale, in particular, is so big that its heart is the size of a small car. Look at this tiny and adorable creature, the seahorse. Seahorses are special because the males carry the babies in their pouch. They use their tails to hold on to seaweed so they don't get swept away by ocean currents. And now it's time to meet the crab. Crabs have hard shells to protect their bodies, and they walk sideways. Some crabs even use seaweed or shells to camouflage themselves and hide from predators. How clever is that? Next is the stingray, the flat, pancake-shaped swimmer of the ocean. Stingrays spend most of their time on the ocean floor, hiding in the sand. They have long tails, and some even have stingers for protection. But don't worry, they're usually gentle creatures. Stingrays love to snack on small fish and clams. Watch them glide smoothly underwater like they're flying. Here comes the squid. Squids are amazing sea animals with soft bodies and 10 tentacles. They can squirt ink to escape predators and change color to blend in with their surroundings. Squids are fast swimmers and enjoy eating fish and shrimp. And finally, meet the lobster. Lobsters are strong, clawed sea creatures that crawl along the ocean floor. They use their claws to catch food like fish and crabs and to protect themselves. Lobsters have hard shells to keep them safe and can live for a very long time underwater. Now, it's time for our fun quiz game. I'll ask you 3 fun questions about the sea animals we've just learned, and you'll have 5 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Let's go! For my first question, which sea animal can glow in the dark and doesn't have a brain or heart? The answer is the jellyfish. For my next question, which animal is the largest on Earth and sings underwater? The answer is the whale. For my final question, which tiny sea creature has a pouch where the males carry babies? The answer is the seahorse. You did an amazing job. Great job, everyone! You did amazing on the quiz. Thank you for joining us on this exciting underwater adventure and learning about sea animals. But before we say goodbye, here's something important to remember. Let's all do our part to keep our oceans clean. Avoid throwing trash in the water, and always protect sea creatures by taking care of their home. Together, we can keep the ocean beautiful for everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support means so much to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next learning adventure. Bye for now!